It's late in the evening. She wondering what's close to it. She poured on her makeup and brushes her long, long hair. And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to party and everyone torn, you see. This beautiful lady